Are you gonna start a new one? Show me your bracelet. You did such a good job on it. Who gave you this?
Daddy.
What do you say to Granny?
Thank you, Daddy.
Look at the camera so she can see your face when she watches it. Look at me for 1 second.
Thank you, Daddy.
Yay, good job. All right, make Granny a cool bracelet, all right?
Okay. That one. Hot one.
What color's on the other side of the bracelet? Like this one here. What's on the other side?
What?
Look. What color's this?
Hot.
Hot pink. And what's on this side?
Pink.
Just regular pink.
And then what's that one? Purple. You're right.
Yeah, purple. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Who do we hear crying? Who's over there fussing?
Baby Leo.
And somebody else packed theirs. Who's making all that noise behind you, Lulu?
Baby Leo.
You ready to get out of the swing, Leo? Oh, Puggy. Are you hungry, Puggy? You ready for some lunch? Okay, bye-bye.